So we're just a couple of miles above Quarter now. In fact, probably not even a couple of miles. And I found another part of the railway and a bridge over a farm track. As you can see here, this is just off the Strathaven Road, and it's on a little B road just off to the left. So this is another part of the track, and it's just beside a farm. Now, up ahead is a bridge, and the railway would have passed under here, just very close to Glassford, and there's a bridge right in front of you there. And that's about as much as we can get to of the railway at this part of the road. There's just nowhere to stop here. The railway then came up the Strathaven Road and crossed over at this place. It's an agricultural establishment, and it came along here, and there's a wall, probably of a platform from the Strathaven North station, and it would have went up over there towards Strathaven town itself. The line, I believe, then came down the back of the industrial estate. The line, I believe, then came down the back of the Hamilton Road industrial estate where Arnold Clark's is, and came along somewhere along this sort of route. It may actually have been through these trees, as there is a pattern through these trees, or it could have been slightly further out into that field. Yes, I seem pretty sure that the line did come around the back of the industrial estate and take this track here. There is a cutting here, which I'm pretty sure would have been the railway. Just here. And up there just is the industrial estate that we've just been at. And so I come a little bit further along, a few hundred yards, and I realise that I'm still on the right track. This is the track of the railway, and it's also that. And there's an ID on the bridge too, and this is on the Glassford Road, and that would have been the railway right down there. And so if I go to the other side of the road, you can see the track the railway would have taken, and there it is down there. And it's quite a steep decline down there to the bridge that carries it across the main Strathaven to Stonehouse Road. The line would then have crossed the main Stonehouse Road on a viaduct, which you can see just up ahead. It would have joined the main Stonehouse to Strathaven line and went behind the town mill and Strathaven Castle. It then came up past here, close to Todd's Hill Street and Station Road, ironically. And this is the track here, and the bridge, and across the other side, which is Station Road. And this is central Strathaven, and the station would have been just up ahead on this track. And the station would have been just up here. It's about 100 metres up from the start of Station Road and the bridge, and the station would have been here. There's no sign of the original building, but this is where it would have been. So the line now continues out towards Darvel, and it joins the main Ayrshire lines. So the line came out through the new Sainsbury's and along here down in this quite deep ravine down here is where the railway track was, and it would have ran out towards Gilmerton and out towards Darvel. And you can see just a little bit more of it down there. I'm not going to go down, I don't really have the footwear. And as you can see, once again I've managed to get down. This is the line that the track would have taken behind Sainsbury's, and you can look down the track there. Fair bit of a cliff face, but a very picturesque line indeed, and it would have continued on up there towards Gilmerton and Darvel past Loudon Hill.